Tip 1. Ensure proper fit. Make sure you choose a shoe with the exact fit for your foot. A poorly fitting shoe can lead to discomfort, blisters, or sores. The fit should be supportive without squeezing your foot and should leave enough room for your toes to move. Tip 2. Look for good support. Good arch support and firm heels are crucial in a walking shoe. Those features help prevent foot pain and injuries. For seniors, a properly supportive shoe can also help with balance and preventing falls. Tip 3. Check sole flexibility. Walking shoes should have a flexible and non-skid sole to ensure safe walking. The shoe should bend and curve, allowing your foot to roll comfortably with each step. A flexible sole also helps in reducing the chances of slips and falls. Tip 4. Go for lightweight shoes. Heavy shoes can make walking difficult for seniors. It's essential to look for lightweight shoes as they'll make you feel more comfortable while walking and won't contribute to foot fatigue. Tip 5. Comfort is paramount. Walking shoes should provide comfort above all else. This includes having adequate cushioning, soft linings, and being made from breathable materials. Tip 6. Consider adjustable features. Velcro straps or laces allow for the fit of the shoe to be adjusted. Feet can swell during the day, and this type of adjustable feature can help accommodate that. Tip 7. Choose shoes with breathability. Shoes with breathable materials, like mesh, can be helpful to seniors. They allow for proper ventilation and can prevent overheating and excessive sweating that could cause discomfort. Tip 8. Prioritize easy maintenance. Choose shoes that are easy to clean and maintain. Leather or synthetic materials are typically easier to wipe down and keep clean than materials like canvas. Tip 9. Opt for shock absorption. Shoes that have good shock absorption can be beneficial, especially for seniors with joint issues. The ability to absorb shock can reduce impacts on joints, making walking a more comfortable experience. Tip 10. Consider special needs. If a senior has specific foot conditions or needs like flat feet, bunions, diabetic neuropathy, etc., they should look for shoes designed to accommodate these specific conditions. Tip 11. Don't forget style. Lastly, while comfort and safety are essential, style should not be undermined. Seniors too like to look good and feel confident in what they are wearing. Choose the shoes which you think suit your style and you'd enjoy wearing outdoor.